Hello, welcome back, guys. Today I am going to start first lecture on future trading. What is future trading? First of all, you have to go to wallet, go to spot wallet transfer. Always select USD dollar M futures like USDT. Confirm. Okay, then you have to click on futures. Here you have always select isolated margin. Don't select cross margin. In cross margin losses are unlimited, so I don't recommend cross margins. So confirm cross margin. If you think price goes up, you select buy. If you think price goes down, you need to select short, sell. So I think here price goes down, I select short. Here is margin. Always choose 5 to 10x. Always choose 5 to 10x. Here I choose 20x because it's for educational purpose. Okay, confirm. So select amount, how much dollar you want to select. So sell. Here is my position. It's going up and I am losing something. If price goes above to 0.20905, then my all money is lost because I choose margin very high, 20x, 21x. Here I comes in profit. Profit are small because I choose less amount, because I made this video for educational purpose. I want to close position. Here confirm. Thank you guys for watching this.